Today I'm going to make a plywood base for our king-size bed. Currently we just have the metal bed frame and I'm tired of stubbing my toes on it. And it'll also help keep our dog from going under there and taking her toys and making a mess under there. So hope you'll join me in this quick build. About a half a sheet of plywood and half a dozen 8-foot 2x4s. So you'll need a skill saw, a miter saw, like a power miter saw, and a cordless drill. Let's get to it. Alright, so there's the quick plan I drew up for the plywood base. Pretty straightforward, 2 pieces at 75.5 and then 2 pieces at 77.5. These side pieces, because I'm going to screw these onto these. So you just got to minus 3/4 for this and 3/4 for that. I'm set up here. So what I like to do when I'm ripping plywood is I like to stick scrap lumber underneath so I can rip and I don't have to worry about these pieces falling down onto the floor. Another thing I like to do is set my saw a couple of millimeters, about an 1/8 inch below the thickness of the material I'm cutting. And I've also used the rip fence here. So I've had this saw for probably at least 15 years, I would say. It's made me a lot of money. It's built a few of our houses. It's just been an awesome saw. I'm sure the newer ones are lighter and everything, and I might get a newer saw, but I really enjoy this one. I'm used to it. We'll get on to building it. So here we go. Get your earplugs and some eye protection on, okay? Here we go. Alright, I got those pieces ripped down. Now I'm going to cut them down to length. Pieces at 75.5 first, okay? And then we'll cut the sides. And then the I'm going to call them the supports, okay? We're going to cut those down right now. Got a bit of weight off the end here. Gotta lift up this roller wheel here a bit. Cut them. 75.5, okay? There's the one. Hopefully I got enough room that way. Cut. Alright. I can use these pieces for the greenhouse gussets too. Okay. Okay. So there's those pieces. Okay, so I went and had a quick look at the old metal bed frame and realized that the support struts are running this way. So what I'm going to do is, here's the this piece here, this piece. So I found center of it, and I'm going to go with that extra piece of ply. I'm going to cut another 77.5, mounted it dead center, and then put 2 2x4s on each side to support the box springs, because there's 2 separate box springs that run down there. You sit on it. I sit on it like that. You got your box springs, and then your mattress. I got my helper out here. Connor's going to help me build, so we're going to get him some eyeglasses to wear. That was the first thing he said, Dad, I need my eyeglasses. So I'm going to cut one more board at 77.5, and then we can put this thing in a couple 2x4s at 77.5. Then we'll put this thing together and paint it. Okay, so I got all the pieces cut now, and we're going to pre-drill all these holes, okay? The countersink bit. So we get a nice finish on these. What that'll do is it'll help that head sit in there nice, okay? So I'm going to put 3 screws in each piece of wood, and then we'll glue it through. And these are just kind of random. Maybe I'll lay them out better. Oh, here comes my helpers. Okay, so here are my 2 helpers for today. Come over here, Connor. Say hi, Casey.
Hi.
And then my other helper, his birthday's tomorrow. How old will he be?
6.
Yeah. Casey's got the hiccups. He's small, but he's epic. All right. What I'll do is I'll find the center. 3.5. 3.5. We'll get the one screw dead center. And the other 2 I'll just kind of guesstimate about an inch in from the ends. So we'll drill these holes. Yeah, just like come up about an inch drill. I'm not being too precise on this because the only reason we're painting it white is case the skirt doesn't come down all the way. The boys used all my 2-inch screws on their fort they built. So you can see their, if you go to their fort, you can see their fort build in one of my videos. It's pretty neat what they built. Isn't it, Connor? You 3 boys built that last summer. And I thought that was pretty neat that you guys.
The snow fort? Oh yeah, the wood fort.
Yeah, out of wood, yeah. So go check that video out if you want to see what some 11 and 9 and a 5-year-old can build. I didn't. The only thing I helped them with was show them proper jigsaw safety, and they built the whole thing themselves with the jigsaw and a cordless drill. So it's pretty neat the thought process they went through to build that. Yeah, I've got most of it built. Just got the 2x4s to screw off here, and then what I'll do is I might do some plywood pieces in the corner, help keep this frame a little more square. I gotta put this 2x4 down this side. I'm gonna screw this one off, and then I'll set up the little. I got a little hand router. Just ease, so I might just shampoo those edges. Between the filming and my helpers, it probably took me, I'm gonna say, 2 hours. Pretty straightforward. Hope you liked the video. We'll show you the finished product here.